What if I told you one of these filaments can survive being bent, crushed, and twisted, and the other might snap from just dropping it? Today, we're comparing PLA and TPU, and by the end, you'll know exactly which one to use for your prints. And when using the wrong one will completely ruin your project. If you ever 3D printed before, you've probably used PLA. It's easy, clean, and beginner friendly. But TPU? That stuff is like 3D printing with a rubber band. So let's break it down. Strength, flexibility, print difficulty, and real-world uses. And I'll show you which one actually wins. First, quick basics. PLA is a rigid plastic made from plant-based materials. It prints easily, holds detail well, and is perfect for most standard prints. TPU, on the other hand, is flexible, like really flexible. You can bend it, stretch it, and it won't even snap. So right away, these materials aren't even trying to do the same thing. PLA is for structure, TPU is for movement. But here's where it gets interesting. One of these is way stronger than people think, not just in the way you'd expect. If you try to print something with PLA and try to bend it, it'll resist at first, but then snap. PLA is strong but brittle. TPU, on the other hand, completely different. You can bend it over and over and twist it and even compress it. It'll just pop right back to its original form. So which one is stronger? It depends. PLA is a high, rigid strength. It can hold weight and stay solid. TPU has a higher impact resistance. It absorbs force without breaking. So, if your print needs to stay stiff, PLA wins. If it needs to survive abuse, TPU wins. Now let's talk about printing, because this is where people mess up. PLA is easy. Low temperatures, minimal warping, no enclosure needed. You can basically hit print and walk away. TPU, on the other hand, not so much. It's flexible, which means it can bunch up inside your extruder if your settings aren't right. And you have to slow it down a ton just to print right. Retraction settings, super sensitive. If you go too fast, your print fails. If your extruder isn't tight enough, your filament jams. So yeah, TPU is way harder to print. But when the prints you do go right, it's honestly insane. But before I show you why, I want to ask you to like and subscribe, because I'm a small creator and every little bit of support helps. Thanks for watching my videos, I really appreciate it, but now back to the video. PLA gives you sharp, clean, sharp details. Perfect edges, smooth layers, great for display pieces. TPU? It's softer, so details aren't as crisp. Small features can look a bit rounded and slightly messy if your settings aren't dialed in, but TPU has one huge advantage. It won't crack. So, even if the print isn't perfect, it's way more durable in real use. This is where the choice actually matters. Use PLA if you're making decorations, prototypes, models, and anything else that just needs to look good and stay solid. Use TPU if you're making phone cases, gaskets, shock absorbers, or anything that needs to bend, flex, or absorb impact. Think about it like this. PLA equals a hard shell. TPU is a protective layer. If you're making a phone case out of PLA, it'll crack the first time you drop it. But TPU, that thing will just bounce. Here's the biggest mistake people make. They choose PLA for something that actually needs to be flexible, like clips, hinges, or parts that move. And then they wonder why it breaks. If your part moves, use TPU. If it stays still, PLA is probably fine. So which one is better? Neither. They're both built for completely different jobs. PLA is easier, cleaner, and perfect for most prints. However, TPU is tough, more flexible, and way more durable under stress. The real skill isn't picking the best filament. It's picking the right one for what you're making. If you want, I can test these head to head, like dropping them, bending them, or even running them over. Let me know what you want to see next, and if this helps, you already know what to do. Like, subscribe, and comment to boost this video in the algorithm, because I'm a small creator and any bit of support helps. Thanks for watching my video, and I will see you in 2 weeks.